Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. We are back and I am going to try and do another one of those pink blooms like this one. This one I made that white just a bit too heavy. So I'm gonna go again and I've got everything all prepped and I have poured. Obviously you can see I put my stones around the sides. And I actually created the paste while the resin was getting to temperature. So it gave me something to do. And after I had spread all that out, my resin was there. So I dumped, well, first I decanted 5 grams into this little cup. And I added 1 drop of Julie's bloom paste, pouring your heart out. And this time, because this one came out so light, I think I'm gonna put violet in. And that catches you up. We are basically, you're with me now, all caught up. So I mixed up a total of 60 grams of Bond Craftor resin. It's a regular 1-to-1 resin. And yeah. I let it get to 33 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna put 1 drop of this violet in by Decor Rom, and then I'm gonna do 1 drop of the grape because that grape came out so bright pink. And I think that combination will look really cool. We'll find out together. All right, so while that does its thing, I'm gonna mix up. What is in here? What is in my white? I have a little blue thing. Don't have the blue thing anymore. Yeah, so that's looking good. All right, let's do it. Thank you for joining Marie Louise and myself for Talent Tuesday today. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you missed Marie Louise of Marie Louise Art, she was just before me, and her video will be in the description below. She is an amazing fluid artist, mixed media artist, and you won't want to miss her. So check it out. Get a nice little swirl. I don't like swirling it too much because it messes up the center. You get more defined petals if you don't swirl too much. I think we're good. All right, that's it. We're back for the second layer. My resin is at 33 degrees. This time I mixed up 45 grams for this second layer because I don't have too much room in there. I'm gonna decant 8 to 10 grams for my white. Yeah, 10. 10. In here, I am going to put just 1 drop of this peach because I like how that colored the clear. No, I'm going to put 2 drops in. 2. Okay, that's pretty vibrant. But there's not a whole heck of a lot of color. Scrape it off the stick. Pigments just love to stick to your stir sticks. See? Scrape it off, get it back in. Yeah, So it's just a very nice light pink. All right, in here, this is the High Tide Piggy paste. It's super thick, so I stuck it in the microwave for 10 seconds, but that was a while ago. Scrape some of that off. I'm a little nervous. Maybe I shouldn't have. Normally I have a good amount. All right. All right, I am back. Hopefully, as you saw, I put in 2 drops of the Fuchsia into my white paste. So we are at that point now where I'm just going to pipe this around the edges. Pretty much use that up, which is good. And then the clear. And now we wait. Gonna just torch in the middle here. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. I'll be back. We're back. It looks pretty good. It's kind of a darker pink around the edge. I like it. All right, let's crack it open and see what we get. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Huh. This is cool. The reason I was like, huh, is because I was wondering, I'm trying to decide if the flower is covering, but it's not. I think this one could have done with being a little bit heavier, and this one was too heavy. Huh, but I like them both. Interesting. So which one do you guys like better? This one with lots of blobbies, or this one with basically no blobbies, but definitely the lines? All right, let me know. A or B, left or right? Flower with the purple, flower without the purple. Thank you as always for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. One thing I am going to comment on before I let you go, though, is I do like that these beads, in this case, covered up that line of pigment paste that's always around the edge of the mold when you do the lace effect. So this is a good way, if you don't like that line, to just get rid of it and have a different border. But either way, you're going to end up with a border. All right, those are my words. That's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.